Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In the previous class we have learnt two combinations for short double O sound. They are double O as O and U as O. And we have learnt few examples and the exercise in textbook also. Here is a reading card for double O as O. Let us read the words. Hook, hook. Crook, crook. Good, good. Hood, hood. Look, look. Took, took. Wood, wood. Wool, wool. And shook, shook. This is the additional help for the children to learn few more words for double O as O. Here is one more reading card for U as O. Let us read the words. P-O-L-E, pulley. P-O-T, put. B-O-L, bull. F-O-L, full. P-O-L, pull. P-O-sh, push. B-O-L-E-T, bullet. K-O-K, C as K and O, cuckoo. And P-O-D-ing, pudding. U as O. In today's class, we shall learn long double O sound. The three combinations for long double O sound. That is double O as O, UI as O and OU as O. For the first, we shall learn with the material. Double O as O. The first example is mushroom. When I say mushroom, the beginning sound that we listen is m. After m in the word mushroom, the next sound that we listen is a. A, sh. The phonogram. A, sh, r, o, and the last sound that we listen in the word mushroom is m. A, sh, r, o, mushroom. Let us see the next example. Roof. When I say roof, the beginning sound that we listen is r. After r in the word roof, the next sound that we listen is oo, for which I place double F. And the last sound that we listen when I say roof is r-oo-f, roof. Children, here you can observe, we'll drag little bit wherever we see double O. R-O-F. Whereas in the short double O sound, we won't drag the sound. That is B-O-K, book. H-O-K, hook. In this way we read the short double O sound. But the long double O sound will drag the sound little bit. Listen. R-O-F, roof. M-A-sh, R-O-M, mushroom. Let us see the next combination for double O sound. The double O long sound. U-I as O. U-I as O. Let us see few examples. Children, can you recognize the picture? It is a suit. When I say suit, the beginning sound that we listen is S. After S, we listen to U, where we place U and I both together. S, U, T, suit. UI sounds as U here. Fruit. We can call it as fruits here because we have more than one fruit, so we will add S. Fruits. When I say fruits, the beginning sound that we listen is fr, the blend, where we place F and R both together. Fr. Fr, U, T. Fruit. We have more than one fruit, so I'll add S here. Fruits. UI as U. The next combination that we are going to learn is OU as U. We have a reading card for OU as U. Soup, soup. U, you. Ook, soak. Oop, croup. Oop, group. Oot, root. Oot, youth. Oop, un, coupon. And oop, troop. Here letter E remains silent in both troop and root. Even for double O as U, we have a reading card. I'll give the words. I'll read the words for you children. Sh, r, o, mushroom. Amb, o, bamboo. Oost, boost. Broom. Ool, cool. Ood, foot. Groom. Oon, moon. And roof, roof. UI as U. Fruits, fruits. Oot, suit. Juice, juice. Letter E is silent here. Bruise, bruise. E is silent. Cruise, cruise. Letter E is silent. Recruit, recruit. Wet, wet. Suit, suit. Wet suit. Pursuit, pursuit. Dear parents, the reading cards are the additional help for the child to learn more words for each and every sound. Dear parents, I'll send the word list for all the short and long O sound which we have learnt in today's class. I'll send the snaps of these reading cards. You have to help your child to write all these words one time in the 4-line book, and I expect also the child to read all the words. Thank you.